Welcome back. Hope you're doing good. In Windows 11, there is also an option to use the disk cleanup. This is a free tool which is available built-in within Windows. To use the disk cleanup tool, press Start and type disk cleanup. Search for the disk cleanup tool, and this will open the disk cleanup tool. And it will also list the files which it can be deleted. These are basically the recommendation what it is showing. You can select whatever files you wanted to delete. You don't want to delete program files. I wanted to delete only temporary internet files. And if I wanted to delete recycle bin files, I can choose that. I can also choose the temporary files if I wanted to delete those temporary files. Once you select and delete these files, it will not be recovered. You can also view the files by clicking View Files. There is no downloaded files there. And if you wanted to view the temporary files again, I can view the temporary files, which is basically empty and there is no files. This is the cache for the internet files. And I will select OK to clean up. It will ask me to confirm to delete the files. Yes, go ahead and delete the files. While selecting, it is important to choose which folders and files you wanted to delete. Once the files are deleted, you will not be able to recover those files. This tool will delete unnecessary file, and depending upon the size of the files, it will take some time to delete the files. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet up in the next video.